Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. In my previous video based on linear inequations, I told you how to find the solutions of linear inequations, how to write the solution set using replacement set. In present video, I am going to tell how to represent the solutions on the number lines. For that, I have taken up two questions, different, one in which the replacement set is given to be a set of natural numbers, and I will take up second example in which the replacement set will be a set of real numbers. So with both, I think it will be very clear to you how to represent the solution on the number line. Now, I have taken up question number 8 from exercise 4b. Question says, find the solution and represent it on the number line when this is the case. This is the question in which double inequality is there. So remember, this we are going to separate into two different inequalities as, first of all, we will take up this first part and second part, so that our first inequality will be minus 2 like this. This will give us first part of the question, and the second part of the question will be this and the last one, minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 whole 5 by 6. Whenever it is in mixed number form, we are going to change it in the fraction form. These are the two different inequalities, and we will be solving them separately as separate questions only. And you very well know how to solve such inequality. Now, in order to solve this part, we will take up the constant terms to one side. Minus 2 is also constant, 1 by 2 is also constant. So, because it is plus sign here, it will go to other side as a minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to minus 2x by 3. To solve this, we will take LCM as 2, and this will be minus 4 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 2 and 2 are same here. When they will divide each other, the answer will be 1. So 1, 1, 1, so 1 only, like this, as it is. No change in the sign of inequality till now. Solving, we get like this. Now, we are supposed here to get the value of x. So x we will keep to one side only, minus x. And remember very carefully, we have to solve this minus in the later stage. Till now here I am keeping it like this only, minus. So 2 by 3 is getting multiplied. When it goes to other side, it will go as 3 by 2. So this 2 by 3 will go to other side as 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 as it is. So that multiplying minus 15 divided by 4 less than or equal to minus x. Now here in such questions, whenever you get minus on both sides of the inequality, you have to be very careful in solving this minus sign. Don't simply cut them as like this, as we used to cut it in case of equality. Now, if you remember the rules which I told you, we have to multiply. In order to remove these two minus signs, remember, we have to multiply both sides with one more minus sign. If I multiply both sides with one more minus sign like this, and this side also, do you remember what was the rule? Multiplying both sides with a minus sign will make the change in the sign of inequality. That is, less than or equal to will become more than and equal to. Remember, this is most important. This is the only way of removing the minus sign from both sides. Multiply both sides with minus signs and change the sign of inequality so that minus minus become plus. 15 by 4 greater than or equal to x. This is our first part of the answer. Now coming to the next part of the answer. We have got like this. So I will keep this x term with x to this side only and take this constant to other side, and for that we need to solve this also. So it becomes 11 by 6 and 1 by 2 will come to other side with the minus 1 by 2 like this. Now solve this taking LCM minus 3. So that minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 11 minus 3 will give you 8 divided by 6. We can simplify this. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So that finally we get, now again one minus sign is there, so I will simply keep this minus sign with x only, and first of all I will remove this 2 by 3 which will go to other side as 3 by 2. 3 and 3 goes from here, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, so minus x less than or equal to 2. Again we have to solve this minus sign by multiplying both sides with the minus only, minus of minus x and minus of 2. By multiplying we will change this sign of inequality, less than or equal to becomes more than or equal to. Multiplying this will give us positive x divided by minus 2. This gives us the second part of our answer. You can write it like this also, part number 2. Now we got two parts of our answer. First one was 15 by 4 greater than or equal to x. Now I should write it as 15 by 4. If I divide 15 by 4, I will get it as 3.75 greater than or equal to x is our first part, and x greater than or equal to minus 2 is our second part. Now comes the most important part of the answer, to combine both these answers and write one solution set. So let us now start that part. Now let us combine these two answers. We have written again, and let us combine these two first. See, we have to find here the range of the values of our variable x. Range means we should have one lower limit and we should have one upper limit. Now see these answers. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 means this is the lower limit. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. And secondly, 3.75 is greater than or equal to x. In other way, how we can write it? 3.75 is greater than or equal to x means x is less than or equal to 3.75. If you can easily understand this, 3.75 greater than or equal to x means x is less than or equal to 3.75. X is less than or equal to means this is our upper limit of the variable. This is our lower limit. X should be more than minus 2 and x should be less than 3.75, and one more condition, that x belongs to natural numbers. So let us now put the signs. X greater than or equal to minus 2 or minus 2 is less than or equal to x. See this, x is greater than or equal to minus 2, or simply take the reverse, minus 2 is less than or equal to x. So I can, combining these two, I can write one answer as minus 2 like this. Minus 2 less than or equal to x I have written here, and this x again no need to repeat, simply I will put from here that x is less than or equal to 3.75 is the form in which we write the solution of this answer. But now we are still supposed to write the solution set. What will be the solution set? This will be in the set form only, and remember from my previous video that if x belongs to natural numbers, then the solution set is written in the form of a roster way. Now from minus 2 to 3.75, all natural numbers we have to write. Here we need to ask from ourselves, are both these limits the natural numbers or not? And you will agree if I say neither minus 2 nor 3.75 are the natural numbers. So in between more than minus 2 and less than 3.75, all the natural numbers we have to write. This is the most interesting part of the answer, that between -2 to 3.75 and see very clearly both the answers are included. So from -2 to 3.75 we have to select all the natural numbers as the part of our solution set. More than -2 we have got -1, we have got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are natural numbers only. But what will be the first natural numbers after -2? It will be 1, second one 2, third one 3. Are we going to take 4 also? No, because x has to be less than or equal to 3.75, which is itself not a natural number, but less than 3.75, which one is the natural number? Is 1, 3 only. So, students, this gives our solution set 1, 2, 3. Still the answer is not complete. After writing the solution set, we have to represent it on the number line. For that, we need to draw a number line. So, I have drawn one number line for you. You have to draw in your answers neatly with scale and pencil like this. This middlemost part gives us 0. On the right side of 0, we will have positive numbers. On the left side of 0, we will have negative numbers. So, I start with 1, 2, 3. Make sure a little constant distance, uniform gap you keep between your numbers or the digits, like 4, like 5. And most important part is to put the arrows so that it is clear that it can be extended to both directions. Actually, the limit for this is -infinity to +infinity. Everything, all the real numbers we can draw on this, we can show on this. And this side we have got -1, we have got -2, -3, -4. This much is sufficient, and other we can show by extending the number line if we want. Otherwise, these arrows simply show that we can extend it on both sides. Now, by drawing this much, we have to now represent our solution set in this, because these are natural numbers, only 1, 2, 3 we have to represent. So, where is 1? And because natural numbers, we have nothing to do with the negative side, because we need only the natural numbers. We need nothing on the negative side, and we need to only see the positive side of numbers. So positive side is 1, 2, 3. 1 is here. So I will simply, on 1, I will simply make it dark like this. 1, then there is 2 here, and there is 3 here. I have darkened these complete circles I have drawn on these points, which we wanted to show on the number line. So you may make it more dark, so that clearly it is seen like this. Other part of the number line is not that much dark, but our solution should be clearly darkened like this. So this gives you complete answer of representing a solution on the number line when x belongs to natural numbers. So students, hope you understood this answer, and see how many things, how many operations we have done to get the complete answer. And this is the best choice for an examiner to give such questions in your exam. Even in board exams of 10th class, such questions from linear equations come. So make sure you all do maximum practice of such kind of answer. In the next video, I will take up one more example in which the set of real numbers will be the replacement set. Anything you don't understand, please ask. Please share your ideas, positive as well as negative. You are most welcome to share. And now last word for this video, और जिसको मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ आप सबके लिए, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मेरा कहने का मतलब है लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद जल्दी से जल्दी बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करिए प्लीज़, सो दैट आपको अगली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंच जाए और आप जल्दी से जल्दी अगला लेसन भी कर सको. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.